Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, join me as I dive into the world of blockchain tokenization and try to break it down into simple terms that anyone can understand. Blockchain and tokenization are two concepts that have been gaining traction in today's digital landscape, and for good reason. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about assets and ownership. Tokenization blockchain is a revolutionary concept that transforms real-world assets into digital tokens. Imagine turning anything of value, like real estate, art, or even stocks, into a unique digital representation on the blockchain. This process enhances liquidity, allowing assets to be traded easily and securely. Each token carries all the essential information about the asset, ensuring transparency and traceability. Traditional asset management is plagued by inefficiencies and barriers to entry, making it difficult for individuals to invest in certain assets, such as real estate or fine art. Tokenization aims to address these issues by allowing for the creation of digital tokens that represent ownership in an asset. This can increase liquidity and make it easier for people to invest in assets that were previously inaccessible. The idea is to take traditional assets and turn them into digital tokens that can be easily bought, sold, and traded. Tokenization also has the potential to reduce the costs associated with traditional asset management, such as intermediaries and administrative fees. By creating a digital representation of an asset, tokenization can also increase transparency and reduce the risk of fraud or counterfeiting. The mechanics of tokenization are based on blockchain technology, which allows for the creation of a secure and transparent ledger of ownership. This means that when an asset is tokenized, its ownership is recorded on the blockchain, making it possible to track and verify ownership in real time. Tokenization can be applied to a wide range of assets, from real estate and art to securities and commodities. The benefits of tokenization are numerous. It can increase liquidity, reduce costs, and make it easier for people to invest in assets that were previously inaccessible. Tokenization also has the potential to create new business models and revenue streams, such as token-based financing or decentralized marketplaces. A great example of successful tokenization is the tokenization of real estate. By creating digital tokens that represent ownership in a property, investors can buy and sell fractions of property, making it more accessible to a wider range of people. This can also increase liquidity and make it easier to buy and sell properties. Another example is the tokenization of art, which can make it possible for people to invest in fractions of a piece of art rather than having to buy the entire piece. The potential impact of tokenization is huge. It can create new opportunities for investment, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. It can also create new business models and revenue streams, such as token-based financing or decentralized marketplaces. The tokenization of assets is also being explored in other areas, such as securities and commodities. In conclusion, blockchain tokenization has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about assets and ownership. By creating digital tokens that represent ownership in an asset, tokenization can increase liquidity, reduce costs, and make it easier for people to invest in assets that were previously inaccessible. If you want to learn more about blockchain technology, check out our other video on the subject. And be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below.